Hi there, HoliStretch fam. Welcome to a HoliStretch video. My name is Frances Eve. In this video, we'll be talking about a new year, a new me. In 2024, wow, this year, I believe, is how we develop our relationships. Developing our relationship with ourselves and our body, developing our relationship with our friends and our partner, and developing our relationship with our work and what we do day to day. And hand in hand with the relationships comes trust, right? So it's also about developing self-trust, developing trust that we can trust ourselves and our choices, that we can trust we choose the right partner, the right friendships, the right business partners. Trusting ourselves comes from that communication with your body, that intimate relationship with your intuition. I can tell you that the most important thing that you can do to start developing your intuition is to fine-tune your physical body. How we fine-tune our physical body is through resetting our gut microbiome. So in this video, I'm going to give you 5 reasons why you should reset your microbiome if you want to really develop your self-trust, and 5 foods that you should cut out for at least 30 days to really improve your gut microbiome. Remember, your physical body is connected to your mental health and is also connected to your emotions. So if we want to become more joyful in our life, we really got to work on that gut. All right, lastly, I'm going to give you 5 superfoods that will support you in your gut healing journey and ways to communicate with me so that I can support you through and through. All right, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do below. Let's get started. Hey, welcome back. Number 1 reason to clean out your gut microbiome is that if you live in America, you are eating a very sad diet. This is the standard American diet, and unfortunately a lot of our common restaurants, such as Chick-fil-A, for example, has 55 ingredients in their chicken sandwiches. Okay? 55. You might ask yourself, what are these ingredients? Well, let's take a look. As you see, not even half of these ingredients are things we even eat on a normal basis or even really understand what they are. So why eat them? If you're eating them, I'm going to show you ways that you can rebalance your gut microbiome. Glyphosate is another toxic substance that is everywhere, literally everywhere. You can't avoid it. Even if you're eating organic, I'm sorry, but you can't avoid it. It's in the water, it's in the air. And what is glyphosate? It comes from Roundup. Roundup is a pesticide that is sprayed on farms all around the world. And in scientific studies that they have done on rats, it doesn't lead to anything good in the body. Unfortunately, it actually create holes in the intestinal lining, which is called leaky gut, among many other issues. So we really want to be careful with what we're eating. Ideally, we want to eat organic, and we also want to do something to clean it out. Number 2, did you guys know that your immunity is mostly in your gut? I mean, it's about 80% in your gut. Your immune system in your gut. So what does that mean? That means we want to have a healthy gut, right? Seriously, we want to fight these colds. We want to not have a virus. We want to stay super healthy because we want to live long and prosper and feel good, right? So if you want to feel good and not get sick, then reset your gut microbiome at least a couple times a year, just so that you can improve your immunity. Number 3, revitalize your energy. Are you guys ever feeling tired, out of it, kind of like whatever about stuff? Or you're just tired all the time, even with coffee. So if those are issues that you're having, it's really time to clear out your gut microbiome. Number 4, enhance your mental clarity and your mood. Have you ever been told that you're a bit moody? 90% of our serotonin. This is pretty wild because it blew my mind. I was like, what? 90% of your serotonin, they say, is in your gut. 90% of your serotonin, 90% of your serotonin is in your gut. Do you guys know what serotonin is? It's the happy hormone. It makes you joyful, happy, like a lust for life, passionate, excited. Well, wow, okay, so that means if our guts are out of order, out of balance, and we're not healthy, then we're not ultimately happy. We're not really feeling that joy. We're not really feeling that excitement and that lust for life if we're eating foods that aren't good for us, that are toxic to our systems, and our digestion is slow, our energy levels are low. So how do we improve our joy, and how do we beat anxiety, worry, anger, depression? Clearing out the gut microbiome, baby. Number 5, it's important to reset your gut microbiome because it's just going to help you create new healthy habits and ultimately a healthy lifestyle. All right, let's talk about 5 foods to cut out of your diet. Minimally 30 days, okay? If you want to really shift your serotonin, your immunity, your happy hormones, your lifestyle, you want to change all these things, you got to start by cutting out these 5 foods. This is where they are. Number 1, kind of obvious, but alcohol. Alcohol is not really technically a food, but we're calling it a food in this case. Alcohol needs to be cut out. Alcohol is an immunosuppressant, all right? It makes your immunity worse. It's gonna make you more sick. So cut out alcohol for 30 days. And then when you develop your lifestyle, just ease up on the alcohol. When you go out, try to have like 1 drink if you go out, all right? Just ease it up to start. Really want you to realize how much alcohol can really send you through depression, send you through low vibes. Nah, let's get rid of alcohol. Number 2, a lot of you guys are gonna hate me for this one, but caffeine. Caffeine. So caffeine, if you can try to cut it out. I know that a lot of you guys depend on caffeine, and I'm not gonna lie, I definitely drink my matcha in the morning or a cacao. They do have less caffeine than like a full-on cup of coffee, for sure. So you might want to try changing out coffee for tea, or changing out your coffee for matcha. Even yerba mate is a little bit better for your body than like acidic coffee. And some of you guys will argue with me and say coffee's really good for you. Okay, maybe there are some benefits to coffee, right? But in this case, we are clearing out acidity from our body. So we want our body to be as alkaline as possible. We want to limit the acidity. Number 3, this is hard. You know what I'm gonna say. Sugar. Sugar for sure. Sure. Yeah, we're cutting out sugar. We're cutting out sugar for a minimum of 30 days. Now, I would say, because since sugar is so hard to cut out, because sugar is literally everywhere, okay, there's sugar in everything. It's not just cupcakes and candy. It's like literally in everything, almost, but not quite. Just take a look at the back whenever you're buying something from the store and check to see if there's sugar. I almost guarantee you like 75% of items in the grocery store have sugar in them. So check the label, make sure it doesn't have sugar in it. My suggestion for you, if this is like super crazy hard, then supplement it with an organic honey, like a local honey, because local honey is actually good for your body and it can help you with allergies as well. So try supplementing with that, or even with dates. Number 4 is no gluten. No gluten. Gluten mainly in enriched white flour products, okay? So if gluten, again, is like, you're just like, what do I do? Just cut out like enriched flour, like the white flour stuff, okay? This is like pretzels, muffins, crackers, white bread, things like that, pastas. Cut those things out. You're gonna notice such a huge difference. I swear, you're gonna notice such a huge difference For real, for real. Try cutting out gluten. Just try. I dare you. Number 5, moo. It's that dairy though. Number 5, we're cutting out dairy. Now, I'm not saying all dairy is bad, not by a long shot, because I do believe that some organic dairy products can be very good for your body and very healing for your intestines, actually. In fact, I have used dairy to support me in my healing journey. So not all dairy is detrimental to your health. However, for healing your gut microbiome, eliminating dairy in general is a really good idea because most dairy is pasteurized, a lot of dairy contains sugar, and dairy can just be difficult for your body to digest. All right, guys, so now we're going to talk about 5 supplements that can support you on your journey and how I help people lose weight, gain freedom in their body, support their immune system, clear out their skin, gain more energy, and build muscle tone. The first one is my absolute favorite. This is called the Power Shake. It's all in one. It's all the greens that your body needs. I didn't realize how many greens I needed until I started drinking this and my life changed. Seriously. Number 2, the super aminos. I take these every single time I work out. They help to tighten your skin, they help to burn fat, and they're pre-digested vegan protein capsules. Number 3 is arguably the most important one. It's the Biomedic supplement. This is what's going to clear out your glyphosate. It has been scientifically proven to clear out 76% of glyphosate within 6 weeks. Number 4 is a Super Cleansar. The parasites can actually disappear with a Super Cleansar supplement. It improves healthy bowel function and it releases toxins and buildup. Number 5 is the Apothecary Tart Cherry Juice. This is the highest antioxidant that you can possibly put in your body. It helps to deepen your sleep, so it helps to beautify your skin and combat free radical damage. I have some really good news for you guys. On January 2nd, we are leading a gut reset group. So it's all kinds of people just like you who are ready to reset their gut microbiome. And we will be leading the group talking about different foods to eat based on the clean foods. And we'll also be sharing our pack of supplements. And our pack of supplements ends up only being $12 a day, which is really nothing compared to how much you're spending on hospital bills or just lunch. So you also get free coaching. This is going to be a really divine opportunity for you to start your new year off with. We have informational meetings every Thursday at 5 p.m. PST. So the Zoom information is just here. Join us on our Zooms on Thursday and follow me on social media for more information and to stay in touch. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you feel free and amazing and start your new year off right. Love you.